नमस्ते, मेरा नाम गजेंद्र है। आप कैसे हैं? Namaste, my name is Gajendra. How are you? I welcome you to my basic Hindi lesson 3. So far, we have learned the basic Hindi sentence structure and how pronouns are used in Hindi along with the to be verbs. In the first two lessons, I have given you an overview of how basic Hindi sounds like. If you wish to be fluent, it is extremely important to learn the alphabets. Once we have learned the alphabets, it will get a lot easier. There are 12 vowels in Hindi. Let's look at each of them one by one. We are starting from the order they're written. The first vowel in Hindi alphabet is A. It is similar to how you pronounce vowels in words like above, about, America. In Hindi, all consonants naturally contains the A sound. We will talk more about it when we will learn consonants. Hindi word anar, which means pomegranate, starts with the letter A. The second vowel in Hindi alphabet is A. It is similar to how you pronounce vowels in words like star, father, and garden. If you notice, the A is stressed in all these sounds. In writing, we put a horizontal line next to the letter A to represent A. Hindi word aam, which means mango, starts with the letter A. The third vowel in Hindi alphabet is I. It is similar to how you pronounce vowels in words like pin, chin, and in. The I is understressed to make the sound. Hindi word imli, which means tamarind, starts with the letter I. The fourth vowel in Hindi alphabet is E. It is similar to how you pronounce vowels in words like eat, meat, and treat. The vowel sound in all the examples is stressed. In writing, we put a curve on top of the letter I to represent E. Hindi word eek, which means sugarcane, starts with the letter E. The fifth vowel in Hindi alphabet is U. It is similar to how you pronounce vowels in words like pull, full, and bull. The vowel sound here is not stressed. Hindi word ullu, which means owl, starts with the letter U. The sixth vowel in Hindi alphabet is oo. It is similar to how you pronounce vowels in words like moon, spoon, and cool. The vowel sound here is stressed. In writing, we put a curve in between the letter U to represent oo. Hindi word oont, which means camel, starts with the letter oo. The seventh vowel in Hindi alphabet is re. It is similar how you pronounce vowels in words like grip, trip, and rip. It is derived from the Sanskrit language to the Hindi alphabets and has very limited use in Hindi vocabulary. It is still good to know. Hindi word rishi, which means yogi, starts with the letter re. The eighth vowel in Hindi alphabet is A. It is similar to how you pronounce vowels in words like plate, late, and ray. If you notice the sound pattern in these words, the vowel is producing the same sound. Hindi word ektara, which means a one-string musical instrument called ektara, starts with the letter A. The ninth vowel in Hindi alphabet is I. It is similar to how you pronounce vowels in words like ice, rice, and fine. It is an extension to the A sound we just learned. Therefore, in writing, we put a straight line on top of the letter A to represent I. Hindi word ainak, which means specs, starts with the letter I. The tenth vowel in Hindi alphabet is O. It is similar to how you pronounce vowels in words like over, more, and door. Hindi word okhli, which means mortar, starts with the letter O. The 11th vowel in Hindi alphabet is O. It is similar to how you pronounce vowels in words like trouser, house, mouse. It is an extension to the O sound we just learned. Therefore, in writing, we put two straight lines on top of the letter O to represent O. Hindi word aurat, which means woman, starts with the letter O. The last vowel in Hindi alphabet is It is similar to how you pronounce vowels in words like hunger, hunter, fungus. It is written almost similarly like letter A, except there is a dot placed right on top. Hindi word anda, which means egg, start with the letter ang. Let's look at this chart. It has all the Hindi vowels we just learned about. If learning Hindi language is your goal, it is extremely important to learn the alphabets. I will recommend taking some time to practice writing the letters and speaking the words we have learned in this chapter. It will help you immensely in your Hindi learning journey. You can save this lecture and revisit whenever you want to practice. I hope this video was informative and useful for your Hindi learning journey. In next video, I will explain the consonants in Hindi language and the mode of writing. Until then, keep learning.